Hello everyone and welcome back to Sandy Says. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode using your Android phone. First you are going to open up your settings. You can do that by typing settings in the search bar and then click the button that reads display. Once you've clicked that, it will open up at the top. It will say light and dark. Simply click on the dark tab. That will instantly turn your screen to a darker display. If you click dark mode settings, it will allow you to set that to a schedule. So you can have it default to do it at sunrise, turn on at sunrise and turn on at sunset and turn off at sunrise, or you can do a custom timer to fit your specific schedule. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions about your Android, please comment them down below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.